Welcome to another Leetcode challenge. So today we're solving add to numbers. The question goes, you are given a two non-empty linked list representing two non-negative integers. The digits are stored in reverse order and each of their nodes contain a single digit. Add the two numbers and return the sum as a linked list. You may assume the two numbers do not contain any leading zero except the number 0 itself. So 2, 4, 3, 5, 6, 4 returns 2, 5 returns 7, 4, 3 returns 10, 0 to carry on to the next. That is 3 to 7 plus 1, 8. And so 3, 4, 2, 4, 12. Anyway, so the number of the nodes in each linked list is on range from 1 to 100. It's guaranteed that the list represents a number that doesn't have any leading zero. So I will be solving this in C, and let's get started. So just so you guys know, I was actually making this video earlier and I got cut off on my free trial. So yeah. Anyway, so first things first is we're going to be creating a linked list that is going to, so the beginning of our linked list is we're going to create the beginning of our linked list, and then when we create the beginning of our linked list, we assign our current. Our current is going to be on each linked list that we are on, so that we can store our sum, right? So when we create our, so as we traverse through the linked list, we change our current to go to the linked list that we're supposed to be putting our sum in, right? And then so because in this kind of situation now where we have 9, you see we have like 4 digits here and like about 10, so we're going to be considering also we only want to sum when we have something in the node. So first of all, we're going to create our header or holder. So let's say struct this node is going to equal, let's call this holder is going to equal to, it's going to be holding the start of our linked list. So con typecast malloc and the size of our linked list. Struct list node, right? Then next we're going to have our current. So our current right now is the start of the linked list. So their current is equal to holder. So our current starts from the first array in the linked list. So now we look through. So first of all, so our carry is going to start, because we need to be carrying, like if there's a carry, we need to still add it to the next digit. So as of now, since there's no carry, it's going to be equal to 0. So while we have linked L1 or L2, I'm going to loop as long as either one of them is present, and carry. So we're going to have a sum, which for now is going to be equal to carry. And then we're going to say if we have L1, we're going to loop through. If we have L1, we're going to say L sum will be equal to sum plus L1's value, and then we're going to go to the next L1. So L1 is going to be equal to L1 plus, L1 next. What am I typing? Yeah. So that being said, if L2 is present, we're going to have sum plus equals to L2 value L2 also now equals to next. Okay, so then we're going to have a carry is going to equals to sum divided by 10, so that we get, so if 20 divided by 10 we get 2 as the carry, 10 divided by 10 we get 1 as the carry. So, and then sum will now be equals to sum modulus sum 10 rather, so we get the last digit. All right, so having said that, and after that we have to also create a linked list, our list node, so we can assign the sum to it. So let's say struct list node is equal to typecast. Just going to copy this so that always type in. Okay, so that, and then sorry, I'm going to assign this to called new node. Okay, so our new node is going, our new node's value is going to equals to sum, and then a new node's pointer as next is going to equals null. It's just good practice to assign null to next if assign null to pointer if it's not pointing to anything. So that being said, current is going to have to change. So our current next will be the new node. And our current will now be the new node. Okay. So having done that, next thing we have to do is assign our return, our result to our holders next, because that's actually where the linked list starts from, and then free holder. So we're going to say, let's copy this and rename it. Just going to call this result, and then after that we set results next to holders, set results next to holder, and then free holder, and we return result. So guys, actually sometimes when I actually don't get, like when I look through a problem and I don't get to the first, I'm actually going and look at the other solutions. Like I can solve like for 5 minutes. If I can't solve it for 5 minutes, I cannot solve it in 2 hours. Or even if I can solve it at the end of 2 hours, I don't want to waste so much time on the problem. So I just go search for how someone else solved it, look at through their list and be like, okay, this actually makes sense, and then see how they did it and try to come up, replicate or come up with my own solution. Anyhow, sure. So, but I shall make sure that I spend some reasonable amount of time trying to come up with a solution, not just trying to go through get answers, so that even once I've struggled, when I see someone else's solution, it actually could make more sense to me. Okay, that being said, let me run this. Oops. What did we go wrong? Okay, so let's debug. Struct holder malloc struct blah 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 current is equals to holder L1 L2 L sum is equals to carry, L1 sum plus equals L1 is equals to L1 next, sum is equals to L4 carry is equals to sum divided by 10, and okay. So I'm trying to access a memory. Sorry, so this is where the problem is. Result is equals to folders next to other, not results next equals to folder. So right, submit, and voila, I have solved this before. Anyway, that is the end of this video.